It's Chris.
What's up, guys? It's Chris. You're watching Plumbing Explained, and this is Unclogged, episode 22. So, this customer called us out because their garbage disposal was leaking, and it was also backing up into the other sink compartment. It's a 2-compartment kitchen sink, and when they ran the garbage disposal, water would back up into the other compartment. And here, as you can see, it's just completely packed full with years and years of food buildup, and just nasty gunk there. And so I cut the trap off, the old trap. It had one of those hard 90s, and the P-trap was leaking anyways, so I just cut it off, decided I was going to go with the new tubular P-trap. That way I'd be able to use my trap arm, my modified trap arm that I use to run water and snake at the same time. So I glued everything together, made sure everything was nice and properly plumbed. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the normal trap arm, and I'll be putting in my modified trap arm here so that I can run my 1/4-inch flex shaft through the modified trap arm while running water. Being able to run water while snaking a line that is this badly impacted with food and gunk and grease is extremely necessary. Not being able to run water while snaking a line that was this badly impacted is almost like doing yourself a disservice. You're more than likely going to be causing yourself future problems down the line. And being able to run hot water while cleaning a line that is badly impacted with food gunk, buildup, or grease is extremely clutch. Cold water will be great. It's great. It'll help flush everything out, but hot water will really help knock a lot of that gunk down, loosen it up, and your snake will, even if you're just cabling, will often cut through it just like butter. But here's the thing, with a cable machine, this type of cleaning would have taken me 30 minutes to an hour, maybe even an hour and a half, to clean this line out properly with a cable machine, to get it as clean as you're going to see me clean it here with the flex shaft in just minutes. So because I know I'm only cleaning a very short run here, I'm going to be using my 12-foot flex shaft. That doesn't come in a case, it doesn't come in a cage or a drum or anything like the K9 series, which is, by the way, my favorite series for flex shafts right now. This is just a loose 12 feet of flex shaft with a 1.5-inch single chain knocker. The single chain knocker is awesome. To me, you can get through almost anything with this single chain knocker. I shoot it down tub drains and make it through 1.5 to 2-inch P-traps all day long. I also love it for cleaning out laundry drains. But I mean, if you watch the Unclogged series, you see this thing just powers through hair clogs, any type of food and gunk clog, grease clogs, the black sludgy clogs. This thing is incredible. And it can make it through like the tightest bends, which just blows my mind. And I love how easy it is to just carry this thing around. I carried it in a bicycle tire carrier with a couple other flex shafts that I have that are outside of the drum. And it's just so easy and mobile. I mean, look at that. Boom, I have it attached to my Milwaukee 18-volt brushless drill driver, not the fuel version. I think the fuel version might be the hammer drill. I think it might just be a little too powerful for these flex shafts. A lot of guys say they use it and snap their flex shafts with it. I have not snapped a cable yet with using this drill, and it always seems to clutch out long before ever putting the cable in real serious danger. Even this little 1/4-inch cable. Now this 1/4-inch cable isn't quite as durable as the K9 102's cable. The manufacturer of this cable recommends not getting anything above 25 feet in the 1/4-inch length of this cable. So that would be 25 feet less than the rigid K9 102, which obviously if you're into drain cleaning or you have to unclog drains often, you know how precious that extra 25 feet can be, how important, how clutch that extra 25 feet can be at times, especially when unclogging kitchen drains or some bathroom drains. If you work in a really nice area like I do, and you're working in really big, massive mansion homes at times, those runs can be very long, and 25 feet just won't cut it. 12 feet certainly won't cut it. That's why, like I said, I mainly use this little cable for unclogging bathtubs and showers and real short runs. That single half-inch chain that's set to the half-inch pipe diameter is awesome for grabbing hair and breaking up gunk and clumpy food clogs and things like that. But it's not very good at unclogging like grease clogs, or it can definitely break up a grease clog once it's been unclogged by I'll send my Spartan down for a grease clog, poke a hole, and then shoot the flex shaft down in to completely break the grease clog up, like you've seen in previous episodes on the Unclogged series. One of the major selling points for me on these flex shafts was the fact that you could snake through some toilets without having to pull the toilet and clear the line without having to pull the toilet. And I haven't given that a shot yet, but I did bring a couple toilets that I uninstalled recently home, so I'm going to be doing a video on those in the next couple days where I see if the flex shaft is actually able to snake through the toilet and if it damages the inside of the toilet or not. We will actually cut open the inside of the toilet and see if the flex shaft chipped any of the porcelain, caused any type of cracks or any type of damage. It's going to be a cool little experiment. So make sure that you're subscribed and you have your notifications set to all. And if you're enjoying the video, leave a like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about the video. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. If you got any questions about flex shafts or any other type of snakes or any type of clogs, or if you're wondering why that clog was squared out, I have no idea. Let's talk about that in the comments. So I'm reattaching the unmodified trap arm now so that we can test the drain. And I always recommend, when testing your drain, especially after installing a disposal or any type of new drain lines, you fill the sink up all the way to the top, just an inch or two below the rim, and then drain the sink with the disposal on. And by the way, when you've got a 2-compartment sink, you want the disposal dropping directly into the trap. You do not want the disposal on the opposite side. Like you see here, how the drain lines are, that's exactly how it should look under your sink. If the disposal is switched, if the disposal is on the other side and your other compartment drops directly into the trap and your disposal is on the long 90 there, you want to have that changed quickly, because that's going to cause you clogs in the long run. So anytime you install a new disposal or have any type of drain work done, you want to fill the sink up and drain it with the disposal on multiple times. That will help stress test the sink, and it'll also help wash out any debris that could be left over from the snaking or cleaning process. And look at that drain, almost as clean as the day it was installed, in under 10 minutes thanks to the flex shaft. Make sure you comment down below, guys. Take care.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy. He's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Old Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job. He's getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. Gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb, it won't charge a dime.